What's up, guys? We got a 2025 Kia Soul. We're gonna do service, oil maintenance, reset service, reset here. So you're gonna press settings. You're gonna go into vehicle. It's very simple. You're gonna go into, you're gonna scroll down here. You're gonna go to convenience. So if these are not checked in, maybe check it in, but you're gonna go into service interval right there. You're gonna click that, and you might want to activate this. So you enable, you press that, and then all you do is press reset, and yes, you're all done and set. It's pretty simple, okay? And takes only about a few seconds. Okay, so again, press setup, go to vehicle, scroll down, you're gonna go to convenience, and then you're gonna, it's kind of a little confusing here, so you're gonna just press service interval right here. And then this, if this is not activated, you have to click on that check mark, press reset, and every time you would have to do this, every oil change. So thank you for watching my video. If you guys have any other questions, don't hesitate to send me a message, and make sure you do oil change. Don't just reset it and your vehicle doesn't have any oil in it or dirty oil. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.